Hello guys, and welcome back to ElimuTab. Yesterday we did a video of unboxing the ET03 model. So today we're gonna do the ET04 model. As you can see here it is. Yeah, hope you'll have fun. So as you can see, the first thing that comes the ET04 model is the extra screen protector. This is used to replace your other screen protector if it's broken. You know, the Elimu tablets have IPS screen, which is hard to break, but in case it breaks, yes, you are sure that you have an extra one to replace the other broken one. The second thing we find here is a warranty or service card. Can come with it to get your tablet serviced or repaired or fixed if it's broken, it has an issue. The third thing is the tablet itself. It's so pretty. So you can see this is a blue. Wow, this is a blue. It's blue in color. It is. Yeah, this is the ET03 tablet. So it has a lot. Can first of all charge it 6 hours before first time use. It has different apps, the coding apps, STEM exams, quizzes, MS Office. There's the CBC, Montessori, Cambridge, and also it has a stand behind it, so you can actually place it on the table, on your desk if you're tired of like holding it, you know. Yeah, you can just use the stand. So in this box we have a strap, AirPods, and also a charger. So let's unbox it and see. So this is the AirPod. You can listen whatever your child's watching through Bluetooth though. This is the AirPod. It's actually and inside here we have the strap. Sorry, we have the straps. So this one, you use it to attach. You use it to attach on both sides. If you're tired of holding it, maybe you can hang it somewhere. And it's also adjustable. So that we have the head of it, the charger head, for charging your tablet. As you've seen, you're supposed to charge your tablet 6 hours before you use it. So now let's see the other things that are inside here. So you have a cable. This is the cable to the charger used to charge your tablet. Yeah, here we have a user manual that is used to give info on your tablet, everything that's inside, how to use the tablet. As you can see, yeah, it makes work easy. Here we have the license key. You can see there for the PP1, the logo learning. You can see the dials learning for PP2. It's used to activate the tablet. And here we have an app guide. App guide normally tells you the different apps in the tablet. We have the logo learning, OPIC, parental control, Kid Space, Akili Kids, ASB Reader, Mwalimu Plus, Scratch, Duolingo, Superbook, Office Word, AR Zoo, Zaraki Learning App, ElimuTab app, DALS PP1, PP2, Msingi Park, Ikitabu, Kenya Education Cloud, Kamusi Kuu ya Kiswahili. Yeah, it basically shows you the different apps there are in the tablet. To that we have this, let me call it a toy because it's a toy, and can also work as a key holder for your child. They're also beautiful stickers. For those who know, this is Sophia the First. Yeah, so pretty. And lastly, we have the AR Zoo. So we have the AR Zoo. It's like a chart that has different animals. I believe it's a fun chart that has different animals, and it has both sides. On this side, there are the words, the names to the animals, and you can also see it's written in two different languages. There's English, there's Arabic. So yeah, I think I'm done with unpacking. So that's what ET04 model entails. And you're free, you're welcome to come and purchase yours. If you have a question, just leave it on the comment section. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for engaging. Bye.